Imagine being face to face with a snake so massive it could swallow a crocodile whole. Titanoboa was a real prehistoric predator that dominated ancient rainforests 58 million years ago. In this video, we'll explore Titanoboa's hunting strategies and the steamy habitat where it thrived. As we uncover the details of this ancient giant's life, we'll gain insights into Earth's prehistoric past. The year was 2004, and paleontologists at the Cerrejón coal mine in Colombia were expecting to find fossils of early jungle-dwelling mammals. But as they sifted through the ancient rock, they uncovered something unexpected. Massive snake bones, unlike anything they'd seen before. As the excavation continued, more fossils emerged from the earth. The scientists realized they were unearthing something extraordinary: the remains of the largest snake ever discovered. Piecing together this prehistoric puzzle was challenging. The team meticulously collected and analyzed each fragment, comparing the bones of those of modern snakes and using complex mathematical models to estimate the creature's full size. With each new piece of evidence, the snake grew larger in their reconstructions. As word spread through the scientific community, excitement built. This discovery offered a window into a lost world. The snake's size hinted at a vastly different climate and ecosystem than what exists in the region today. After years of careful study, the full scale of the discovery became clear. This ancient serpent, which they named Titanoboa, reached lengths of over 40 feet and weighed more than a ton. It was significantly larger than any modern snake, dwarfing even the biggest reticulated pythons and anacondas. Titanoboa's enormous size raised many questions. How did it move? What did it eat? And what conditions allowed it to grow so large? To solve these mysteries, scientists would need to become detectives, piecing together clues from fossilized remains and the ancient environment. The journey to understand this colossal predator was just beginning. Piecing together a prehistoric puzzle. Paleontologists faced a daunting task in reconstructing Titanoboa from limited fossil evidence. The Cerrejón coal mine in Colombia yielded a treasure trove of Titanoboa fossils, primarily vertebrae and ribs. These fragments, while invaluable, presented only pieces of a much larger puzzle. One of the most significant finds was a nearly complete Titanoboa skull. Snake skulls are notoriously fragile and rarely preserved in the fossil record. This discovery provided crucial information about Titanoboa's evolutionary relationships and feeding habits, but it also highlighted how much was still unknown about the creature's overall appearance and characteristics. To overcome these limitations, researchers developed advanced mathematical models. Led by Jonathan Block and Jason Head, the team estimated Titanoboa's size based on its vertebrae by carefully positioning individual bones in their correct spinal locations. This process required a deep understanding of snake anatomy and the relationship between vertebrae size and total body length. The team's model revealed fascinating insights into how snakes grow. They discovered that larger snakes achieve their size by adding more vertebrae up to a certain point, after which the vertebrae themselves increase in size. This knowledge helped them extrapolate from the fragmentary remains to estimate Titanoboa's full proportions. Comparative analysis played a crucial role in understanding Titanoboa. Scientists meticulously compared the ancient vertebrae to those of modern snakes, particularly large species like anacondas and boas. This revealed unique characteristics that helped classify Titanoboa within the boid lineage, though its exact relationship to modern species remains a subject of ongoing research. As the picture of Titanoboa became clearer, so did the extent of its physical capabilities. The fossil evidence, including the precious skull and numerous vertebrae, led to a startling conclusion. Titanoboa was the largest snake ever discovered and a formidable apex predator. Its size and structure suggested it was capable of preying on large animals, including ancient turtles and crocodilians that shared its habitat. With each piece of the puzzle in place, a clearer image of Titanoboa emerged. But to truly understand this giant, scientists needed to look beyond the bones. What kind of world could support such a massive, cold-blooded creature? The search for answers would lead researchers to explore the ancient environment that Titanoboa called home. Recreating Titanoboa's steamy jungle home. 58 million years ago, South America harbored a sweltering cradle of life that would surpass our modern tropical rainforests. This ancient hothouse shaped the evolution of giants like Titanoboa and holds clues about our planet's future. The Paleocene-era Cerrejón region of Colombia, now home to sprawling coal mines, was once a vast, swampy jungle. Its extreme climate fostered an ecosystem unlike anything we see today. The air was thick with moisture and rich in carbon dioxide, with levels approximately 50% higher than present. This combination created a greenhouse effect that supercharged plant growth, supporting a highly productive forest teeming with life. This ancient jungle, while less diverse than modern rainforests, provided a constant supply of food and shelter for a wide array of animals, including the colossal Titanoboa. The consistently high temperatures allowed large reptiles like Titanoboa to maintain their body heat efficiently, enabling them to grow to enormous sizes. The abundant prey, nurtured by the lush vegetation, provided the energy needed to sustain these massive predators. Geological evidence and plant fossils have been crucial in reconstructing this lost world. The Cerrejón Formation, considered one of the richest fossil deposits globally, has yielded a treasure trove of information. Scientists discovered not only Titanoboa, but also remains of giant turtles and crocodile relatives, painting a picture of an ecosystem ruled by reptilian giants. As we uncover more about Titanoboa's steamy jungle home, we gain insights into the creature's ecological role. Questions remain about how this massive predator navigated its swampy habitat and what strategies it employed to hunt in this prehistoric paradise. To answer these questions, we must turn our attention to Titanoboa's unique adaptations and hunting behaviors. The ultimate apex predator. As we explore Titanoboa's hunting strategies, a perplexing question emerges. How did a snake larger than a school bus manage to catch its prey in a swampy environment? The answer lies hidden in its fossilized remains. Titanoboa occupied a unique position at the top of the food chain in its ancient ecosystem. Recent discoveries, particularly a nearly complete Titanoboa skull, have provided crucial insights into its feeding behavior. The skull structure suggests that Titanoboa possessed a mouth capable of opening wide, potentially allowing it to consume larger prey. Examining Titanoboa's vertebrae reveals characteristics similar to those of modern boas and anacondas, indicating that it likely employed comparable hunting techniques. Titanoboa probably used ambush predation in aquatic settings, lying in wait beneath murky waters, perfectly camouflaged and ready to strike. Jawbone fragments of Titanoboa suggest a specialization for catching slippery prey, most likely fish. This adaptation aligns with hunting strategies observed in modern constrictors. However, fossil evidence indicates that Titanoboa's diet also included larger animals. Titanoboa likely employed a combination of ambush tactics and powerful constriction to subdue its prey. It could have lain in wait in shallow waters, using its massive body to create swift currents and disorient fish before striking. For larger prey, Titanoboa might have relied on its incredible strength to overpower animals. As we unravel the hunting secrets of Titanoboa, we're left with an even more intriguing question. What evolutionary forces shaped this giant predator? To understand Titanoboa's place in the grand scheme of life's history, we must examine the unique conditions that allowed such a creature to evolve and thrive. Evolution's giant experiment. Imagine a world where snakes grew to the size of buses. This isn't science fiction, but a glimpse into Earth's evolutionary history. Titanoboa, a massive snake from the Paleocene epoch, holds clues to the limits of reptilian gigantism. Titanoboa emerged during a unique period following the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs. With giant reptiles gone, new ecological niches opened up, allowing other animals to evolve into larger forms. Two theories attempt to explain Titanoboa's massive size. One suggests it resulted from the incredibly hot climate, with temperatures between 86 and 93 degrees Fahrenheit. The other proposes that Titanoboa might have generated significant metabolic heat on its own. Titanoboa's size was likely both an advantage and a limitation. Its massive bulk made it an unparalleled predator, capable of overpowering even the largest of prey. However, such a body required vast amounts of food. potentially making Titanoboa vulnerable to environmental changes or food scarcity. The skull structure of Titanoboa provides insights into its feeding habits. Unlike modern boas, Titanoboa had more closely packed teeth, suggesting a specialized diet that may have included fish and other large reptiles. This adaptation emphasizes its role as an apex predator in its ancient ecosystem. Today, the largest snakes reach only about half the size of Titanoboa. This difference raises questions about the limits of reptilian growth in our current climate. As we consider Titanoboa's legacy, we're led to wonder, what might its existence tell us about Earth's potential future in a warming world? Titanoboa and Earth's climate future. What if I told you that a 40-foot snake from 60 million years ago might hold the key to understanding our planet's climate future? Titanoboa's existence challenges our assumptions about reptilian growth limits and forces us to reconsider what's possible in a warming world. Paleontologists have dubbed Titanoboa a paleothermometer, a living gauge of ancient temperatures. Its massive size provides crucial insights into the climate conditions that prevailed during its reign. Scientists estimate that Titanoboa's environment had mean temperatures between 82.5 and 93 degrees Fahrenheit, significantly warmer than today's tropical forests. This information helps climatologists refine their models of Earth's past and potential future climates. The use of Titanoboa as a climate indicator has sparked debate among scientists. Some, like paleoclimatologist Cale Snyderman, question the accuracy of temperature estimates based on the snake's size. This highlights the complexities of using prehistoric data to forecast future climate scenarios. Current climate change projections raise concerns for modern reptiles. Rising temperatures could lead to a significant die-off in species unable to adapt quickly enough. Jonathan Block, a curator at the Florida Museum of Natural History, notes that while theoretically larger snakes could emerge with global warming, the rapid pace of current climate change poses a significant challenge. Species may not have enough time to adapt, potentially preventing the reemergence of giants like Titanoboa. The Titanoboa team's research revealed that carbon dioxide levels during this time were 50% higher than today, contributing to the high temperatures and productivity of the ancient forest ecosystem. This information provides valuable context for understanding past climates, but its application to modern climate models has limitations. The world Titanoboa inhabited was vastly different than our own, with unique atmospheric conditions and ecological relationships. While some plants may cope with climate change, the ability of species to adapt in the short term remains uncertain, highlighting the potential for ecological disruption. So, could modern snakes ever grow as large as Titanoboa? While it's theoretically possible, the likelihood remains slim. The current pace of climate change, combined with habitat loss and other human-induced pressures, creates a challenging environment for such dramatic evolutionary changes. As we reflect on Titanoboa's legacy, we're reminded of the delicate balance between climate, ecology, and evolution, a balance that continues to shape life on our planet. As we reflect on Titanoboa's existence, we gain valuable insights into Earth's past and its relevance to our current climate challenges. This prehistoric giant exemplifies the importance of paleontological research in understanding climate systems and their impact on life. Titanoboa's legacy reminds us of the dynamic nature of our planet's climate and ecosystems. By studying these ancient creatures and their environments, scientists continue to refine our understanding of Earth's history and potential future. Looking ahead, we face a crucial question: how will life adapt to our changing climate? While the answers remain uncertain, the lessons from Earth's past may help us navigate the challenges that lie ahead.